My name is Daniel, and today I tell you about my first trip alone. I feel excited, but I also feel nervous. This trip is very important for me because it is my first time traveling without my family. I wake up at 5 in the morning. It is still dark outside. The house is quiet, very quiet. I sit on my bed for a moment and I look around my room. Today's the day. I stand up slowly and I take a deep breath. I check my phone. 5 a.m.? My heart beats a little faster. I go to the bathroom and wash my face. The water is cold and it helps me wake up. I look at myself in the mirror. I smile, but my smile looks nervous. I go back to my room. My suitcase is on the floor. It is big and black. I open it one more time to check everything carefully. Inside, I see my t-shirts, my pants, my shoes, my toothbrush, and my phone charger. Everything looks ready. Everything looks perfect. Still, I feel something strange in my stomach. Maybe it is fear. Maybe it is excitement. I close the suitcase slowly. Click. That sound feels serious. This is real now. I walk to the kitchen. My mother is there making coffee. The smell is warm and comforting. She smiles when she sees me. "Are you ready?" she asks softly. "Yes, I think so," I answer. But I am not completely sure. We sit at the table together. I eat some bread and drink a little coffee. I'm not very hungry, but I try to eat something. My father comes into the kitchen and looks at me with a proud smile. "This is a big day," he says. At 6 o'clock, he calls a taxi. The taxi arrives 15 minutes later. I hear the car outside. I stand up. My mother hugs me tightly. She holds me for a few extra seconds. "Call us when you arrive," she says. "I will," I promise. I take my suitcase and walk outside. The morning air feels fresh and cool. The sky is gray, and the sun is just starting to appear. I put my suitcase in the trunk and sit in the back seat of the taxi. The door closes, and then suddenly, everything feels different. The car starts moving. I look out the window and watch the houses pass by. The streets are almost empty. I think about my destination. I think about the new city, the new people, the new experiences. After about 30 minutes, we arrive at the airport. The building is huge, bigger than I imagined. There are many people walking in different directions. Some people laugh. Some people look stressed. Some people look sleepy. I pay the driver and take my suitcase. I walk toward the entrance. The automatic doors open in front of me. Cold air touches my face as I step inside. Bright lights shine from the ceiling. Large screens show flight information. For a moment, I stop walking. I feel small in this big place. I take a deep breath and tell myself, "It's okay. You can do this." I look at my ticket, Gate B12. I follow the signs carefully. My suitcase rolls behind me. The sound of the wheels echoes on the floor. I find the check-in area. There's a long line of people waiting. I stand in line and wait patiently. 5 minutes pass, then 10, then 15. My hands feel cold. I rub them together slowly. Finally, it is my turn. The woman at the counter smiles politely. "Passport, please?" My heart suddenly feels heavy. Passport? Yes, my passport. I open my backpack calmly. At least I try to look calm. Inside, I see my notebook, my headphones, and my water bottle. But I do not see my passport. I look again and again. My breathing becomes faster. I check every pocket in my backpack. Nothing. I feel my stomach drop. I step to the side and open my suitcase quickly. Clothes move everywhere as I search. T-shirts, pants, shoes, no passport. My hands begin to shake. My heart beats very fast. Did I forget it at home? I close my eyes and try to remember. Then I see the image in my mind. My passport on my desk. Oh no. My flight leaves in 1 hour. I take my phone and call my mother immediately. She answers after 2 rings. Mom, I think I forget my passport. There is silence on the phone. She walks to my room. I can hear her steps. After a few seconds, she speaks again. Yes, it is here. It is on your desk. My chest feels tight. The airport suddenly feels louder. People move quickly around me. What can we do? I ask. My house is 40 minutes away. The flight leaves in 1 hour. Time moves too fast. Then I hear my father's voice in the background. I will take the car, he says firmly. I will bring it to you. Are you sure? I ask. Yes. Wait for me. I look at the clock on the wall. Every minute feels like 10 minutes. I sit down on the floor next to my suitcase. I feel nervous, but I try to stay calm. I close my eyes and breathe slowly. This is not how I imagined my first trip alone, but maybe this is part of the adventure. I wait and I hope.